and October no dey to so en kuno dey trade upon Yankopon asese ode en so actually is a blessed day. Dey bia dameka say ade ba ko abetimenya pa eno no oda ho ase a wa untimi ho ase da ode ma ne abrabo onkwan dey femo. It's very important. What's around to pay this is so that trading upon Yankopon asese kwanso so ode en so actual once a ode en actual dey e trese nioma pa ewo enemu a onsa ebeka. And no so no mame mo akwaba emo wachi embra the ultimate TV breakfast show Badwam on Adom TV multi TV. So if we start break up him say no nkonobo is our responsibility meaning na ya brefo ne obi osebo so Philip and if you won so awagibra ohwebi no yenyina no ya sede say ya toto adwene ne adwene o man Ghana ho man ko dum pempen so a esese ekodu mejiri so ya kare so ne bitwisa anamo no no am hyase ewa anu se bra me catch us say ne dia kwanya beto ama ene ya de share ne offers ne nananom ene ye ma wo kwanson koso kra age 8 to 12 bra de sa auditioning bra o na afia boabo ma no nipa makoma kwa duasa kogu efie ba akoma ese ye hwe ni wona won betimi adan talent sonko adi kra na fe multimedia djumekonu through Adom TV and so ya mom abasobode ekese pa anti ya shase Nsoromma see shrine and it was so wonderful. A lot of people really I can say you see ma wa harm betimi e and we'll go back again. We see how our kids are performing na etimi so enya addition kese pa so e dey film no echi so ma remfi se cowbell djumedi ayedi no ye no wa yonkofa sunku bi enne yebenya sonko kra na otwi mu nyina no yebenya ayonkofa sonko with cowbell bra yebusa nsemba community na afi bo unse unso benya achede okwa sonko so enti make sure say you don't mess it because cowbell wo mun kwa de achede sonko a ewo yebeda enyumeku ahodo nso aso yase se ene yemfa de wokata Tiffany sem famro no achi na yede eye can say agudie unsem enso de abroni era empensempensem Amen Scientific Herbal Clinic better on a so question so Sazona yeah Star Life Assurance so say and a power specialist herbal and so yeah down a so question so cry ye be try ho ne akohwe ye ni so aba ye ba we have a lot to talk about and then akoya bna day won so de kwabna and I say abna bia so no also that's some kokora make catch say you are so special today but answer be kwakotwa aba no ma me no ni nkomo ewo ahoma so this is one surprise for you this morning. 0302 211 equity 4 0302 211 701 equity 4. We are starting the day Tuesday, 9th of October 2018. Dear in the Dawa Kuma Ghana Nyema Potema Ote in Pessoa Awoso constituency and I say oh my Ghana and I said Juma Oye and I said the Osha the Oti the Okin Kaino and what's him Adventure episode the 0302 211 701 equity 4 na fa also onsem tudwa ema ene brother nya media che but Amen Scientific Herbal Clinic for say memfa sa eyen kaibo ntwem ma say nipa biara oyare bia no o sore pe na o tim se onipadua no emu dodo pe modien na kwa nipadua no emu hwehwemu eno achi no na woni pa no aduru e dia ma Amen Scientific Herbal Clinic ewo eye domi eno achi so Spinters Committee 18 afi wono krabatane bi o Kumase Tamale Takra de Bolga ho anafi wa fre 020 722 9505 and as 0245 275254 and as 0244 2271 92 na one Amen for enkasa oni enkasa on 0302 211 701 equity 4 Mohammed Machi apom ti say
Ebacho nyamiato
Yetio Mohammed
Ebacho say
Yetio Mohammed
Ebacho ye Obadoma Westa me say si secondary school as a abandada wa twemo akono oye na juma kama ananka OC school dan bi na see ai free SHS ninti nanka yeso modi nkondwa gum nanka omunya ba bi tena no nkan kwanta na meka wase medin the innocent me so be drunk kan wanta se say ya school dan no maje ya go onko na tete form
ewa infa
ewa nkan kwanta Doma
West
ino gaga ye oba ankla na tete form ya we ho sem papa me wan so mode o ma structure no ho no ma ye empty am gidi saban dis taka krabi wama nko na benya ba biat
okay yeah that's it ye be say Said you see can sign it here on March so much up to say.
Major so my hine.
Good.
You too. Welcome to say.
Adom boko.
Oh. My hine mama fa kwanya we so raventia Western Regional Chama NDC Chama Bigedu baby will be a fantastic good morning come famano sanso so ena Sami Jenfi aspiring Nyankopon baby will be a onshira no na o man nkumdie so nkokra sanso so na youth organizer Daniel Pare baby will be a Nyankopon
Ebenezer good morning. Ebenezer good morning. Upon to say.
Boko.
Yet you.
Now, what was a Mitch Margin and Pessimist out? Efa, ye do my some more organizing. If I say, more, Uncle Dana is a invented Juman a the mount. It be out with snakes, and I say, a breaker is on the mount, and I say, it be a payment and send a econo. And many agents with the banner.
Yes, and agent, who was supposed to and then as on your snake, as on which you are sending a general way. You be a trust, whether formal or informal. Inti, I know they just busa for him there. I call Labor Commissioner, what baby our free buyer, one on Crabata, one when you sign him, Diana will be a team. So, young far friend, you chat to one of young far and so many in pion. Make us say, well, as I card on so a day, I can see with some a day, bro. Hello, what's saying?
Hello.
Hello, morning, let's say. Hello, Malik, let's say.
Hello.
Good morning, let's say.
Good morning, Omahe.
Yes, sir.
Malik phobia ni.
Yet you. Open team papa outside of phobia. Phobia.
Omahe na mbacho wako akudie da. Go so akudie.
To wasem so.
Me pacho udu akudie a kubi traso efre ho asumura. Asumura. Omahe me say policy bi from akudie to hon policy bi edda ene asumura ni ntamu. Omahe na omutwa enua ewo kwanu ewo sa policy ni mfimfi na wo hwe de kwan na ye pa omahe me say rese sprinter ana say 27 to amana ba kuma car no nsuo be wura car no inside seat na say mom dey take car no inside no 27 to amana no ma na nsuo na ta kwanu na be wura car no inside omahe kwan na mobo the extreme pain for so man me hwe kwan no ho asem pa omahe ndamase mun nya menya adwuma.
Well, yeah, share the CP. Happy birthday, Nsoromma Joanna Erica Kwafo, Ghana Revenue Authority, Industrial Area. Oye Juma is a happy birthday, Sunkukra. Joanna Erica Kwafo, Ghana Revenue Authority, Industrial Area. Oba Abna and also young wish you or see you are such a sweet mom. Well, young question Suma Eshrine. Now you're more fun so share on Kwansron Kosukra. Yaba. Irago Kensi Mwa Enisa.
Good evening, guys. Harry, Samiareo. Harry, Samiareo. Me back with Joe. Whoa, whoa, whoa. She fit an antio, go your for so. If you said you need pay, go beyond it. Moja. provider. Keep him my protector. Somebody go higher. Oh yeah, me no piampo bonnet. Come on. I not to the left, to the right, to the right. Hey, if you wish me well, I go wish you well. Me no piampo bonnet. I no do them anything. To say me a night day. If you wish me well, I go wish you well. Oh, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, blessed. And they call me Eugene. Oh, yeah, yeah. You are the reason why I am still alive. 'Cause I depend on you so I can survive. I promise in confuse I go change my life. My baby wait for me, I will soon arrive. Me wanna many a day, when you are damaged, full of confusion. So I will do anything for you.